Hello, my name's Dave Rowley. I'm the Training and Technical Support Manager for Dunlop, and here are our top tips for tiling. Now, how to select the right tile adhesive? Just to give you some pointers. If you're going to be using small ceramic tiles, as up to 300 in size, then you can use ready mix adhesives as your first choice, or even powders. Okay. If you're looking at ceramics over 300, then you must use powder-based products, which they come in 24-hour set, standard setting, and also you have rapid setting as well. As porcelain tiles, you should only use powder-based products. Now, within the powders, you have they come in both grey and white. Grey is typically used for floors, white generally used on wall application, but also more importantly when you're fixing any natural materials, then you should always use white adhesive in a particular rapid setting. So you're talking something like the CF03 in white, but also for fixing larger format tiles, then we have a pourable based adhesive for floors. This is anything of greater size, 600 by 600 or bigger, then the choice of a pourable wetter adhesive will help to give you the coverage.